Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make butter murukku using an easy method. First, let's gather our ingredients. You'll need fine rice flour, softened butter, and a selection of spices like cumin and asafoetida. Make sure your butter is at a soft, room temperature consistency, which is crucial for a smooth dough. Also, have your murukku press and a deep frying pan ready to go. Now let's get our hands dirty and mix the dough. In a large bowl, combine your rice flour with the spices, ensuring they are well distributed. Next, add the softened butter, mixing it into the flour until the mixture resembles coarse breadcrumbs. Slowly add water, a little at a time, kneading until you achieve a soft, non-sticky dough that is easy to handle. This step is key for perfect murukku. With our dough ready, it's time to shape these delicious treats. Load a portion of the dough into your murukku press, making sure you've attached a star-shaped disc for that classic look. Gently press the dough into small, intricate spiral shapes onto squares of parchment paper. Meanwhile, heat about 2 to 3 inches of oil in a deep pan to a medium-high temperature, ideally around 350 degrees Fahrenheit, for optimal frying. Finally, the moment we've been waiting for, frying. Carefully slide the shaped murukku into the hot oil, a few at a time, to avoid overcrowding the pan. Fry them until they turn a beautiful golden brown and are wonderfully crispy, which usually takes about 2 to 3 minutes per batch. Once fried, remove them with a slotted spoon, drain on paper towels, and let them cool completely before enjoying your homemade butter murukku.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.